from the title of this video, I'm pretty sure you guys know, from I see that videos or 2 videos ago, you saw that like I cracked the side markers. I took them out, and after I cracked the clear ones, and I think they came from actual JDM or OEM, because these ones don't even, like, they're the only company that I found online that like made these. They're like an OE, not like OEM, but an OE made company, so it was kind of cool. They look pretty identical, and I was like, they look really good. And I think it's super glossy too, like I think they clear coated it. Because it says like Clear Crystal Corporation. I was like, damn, it doesn't say made in Japan, huh? That's tough. But let me get the housings real quick, because people say to put them on by super glue. I don't know if I want to do that, because I do have some headlight sealant, and see if that will work. Because if not, then I'll probably just go back to super glue. But let me show you guys. It was actually this stuff. Like I used these for, I think I had an IS300, and I used it for the headlights. So it worked really good. Like no water ever got in, so it's like weird. Like it doesn't, I think it doesn't stick to your hand, but it sticks to the light. I don't know. It's really thick, but I think it will work if I just kind of like spread it out and then just thin it out on here. So that could work, but I'll try it. If not, then you can always take these off. It's just this part. Well, I mean, I just can't break this. I just don't want to break this, because I found out this is pretty expensive. But this I think is inexpensive, and this is also inexpensive. So if this doesn't work, and I'll just go back to the original method, which is what they used before, which is super glue. Wow, really cleaned out good, super smooth. But so yeah, so my plan is, instead of drilling into the lens, I'm gonna drill into this. So I'm just gonna cut this piece off with a Dremel, and then just keep sanding it down, and then just take it off on all 4. So exciting time. So oh shoot, rough voice. But anyways, so I got them on, and if you guys are wondering what I'm using, this is what they use for windshield. That's called butyl windshield sealant. I had this laying around for a while, and I'm surprised it still works. Well, I don't think there's expiration date on it, but I like this because when you put your hand on it, it actually comes off like really nice. Like it's only slight black spots on it, but for the most part, it's not like making your hand sticky. So people use super glue, but I use this instead because so far it's working because I don't have the screws in it. You see both holes are open. If you look, I can't, like this thing ain't falling off. Like I can't separate it. Like it's pretty good. Same with this one. Like this ain't falling off. So works pretty good, just keeping it together. And plus, if you heat it up again, it can stretch out really nice. So taking it off and on is really nice and easy. So I'm not sponsored by them, but it's what I used. I don't know if, actually I'm pretty sure they're still in business, but yeah, this is really good. So let's put them on the car. Yo, these things look good. Like, okay, real quick, if you guys are interested, I got them from this place. So you can contact them. I got them through eBay, but they shipped really fast and holy crap. These look good, dude. Like, oh my goodness. It's a little smoke, but I think that's fine. If you want to be on in a secret, this one I put on right because you can see the little, like, the dimples are right here on the bottom. And on the other side, I put them upside down. I was like, no. So yeah, I tried to switch them on back and forth, and then it would still be backwards. Or no, yeah, it would still be backwards because the other side has like an offset hole on this side. So oh well, but it still looks good. Still looks pretty bussin'. It doesn't look like there's a hole in there, so it looks better. Dude, the yellow popped out so much that, dude, this looks different. Like, dang. Well, that looks good. Like, it matches the rear now, dude. Oh my goodness. Like, oh, this one says it's cool because it says made in Japan. The other one says Crystal Corporation, but as long as the fitment is pretty on spot, I'm not complaining. Dang. Yeah, I like that way better. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video right here. I'm gonna have to cut it a little short. No cinematics today, sorry. I'll get cinematics in the next video. Or yeah, I'll probably start working on the next video because I know I said in the last video, I'm like, you know, I'm gonna work on some chase bays and some LRB speed, but hopefully next video I'll get to start on it. So yeah, that's like it for today. I'm just kind of excited because I turned my L into a W. Wait, what? I don't know. But yeah, so I'm pretty excited because this looks so good. Oh my goodness, you don't even know. I'm actually like super stoked on the, even though I keep looking at the bad upside down one, but I'm actually super stoked on this. So yeah, thanks for tuning in, and I appreciate you clicking in on this video. And just stay tuned for my next one because I'm gonna try to be more a little frequent, but I just want to get those parts out of the way, you know what I'm saying? Because I'm just excited just as much as you are, unless you're not. So yeah, so thanks, and I'll see you guys next time.